Good morning, children. Today we will perform some activities of our first chapter, matter in our surrounding. The first activities is to show matter is made up of particles. Let's try to simplify with activities. Yes, children, I am showing you a piece of wood, a piece of chalk or some gravels. So if you see all these things, then what is coming in your mind? Do you think these materials are continuous or are they particulate? What do you think? Let's demonstrate some activities to verify that these are not continuous, rather they are particulate in nature. So the first activities is adding sugar or salt in water. Let's have the activities. I am taking little water in a beaker. I am taking little water in a beaker, and this is common salt. This is sodium chloride, common salt. I am adding little common salt in this, and then I stir this one with a glass rod. I am stirring this one with a glass rod. Then what do I observe? Think, what do I observe? A clear solution, nothing left at the bottom, and a clear solution I am getting, and this is solution of sodium chloride, and I found the sodium chloride is completely dissolved. This is activity number 1. So what we conclude from these activities? What do you conclude? What you conclude from these activities? Because you think that this is because this is made up of small particles. Since the salt is made up of small particles, that dissolves, that breaks down, and it is dissolved inside the water. Okay.